Welcome to tutorial number 5. Shown here is a drawing of the part that we will be creating in wireframe geometry and in surfaces. Back to Mastercam, make sure that you're working in 3D mode and your Z plane is set to 0. Click on G View, change the construction plane to front. Then select your G View and change it to front as well. Click on Create, Rectangle. Specify a length of 2 inches and a height of -1 inches. Choose the origin. Select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Create Line Parallel. Select this line and select a point above it. Specify an offset distance of 0.25. Choose the OK button to exit the command. Now choose the command Create Line Endpoint. Select this endpoint here and sketch it out somewhere over here. Change the length to 1/4 of an inch at an angle of 350 degrees. Choose the Apply button. Select this intersection and sketch a line over here. Enter in a length of 1 inch at an angle of 150 degrees. Choose the OK button to exit the command. Then choose the command Create Arc Endpoints. Enter in a radius of 5. Then choose this endpoint here and this endpoint here. Choose to keep this bottom arc here. Select the Apply button to stay within the command. Change the radius to 1.5 inches. Select this endpoint here and then this endpoint here. Choose this arc and select the OK button to exit the command. Then choose the Trim Break Extend command and enable Divide in the ribbon bar. Select these two lines, this line here, this vertical line, and this horizontal line. Choose the OK button to exit the command. Now we will create a revolved surface. Choose the isometric view. Then left click on surface color and change it to red number 12. Choose the OK button. Click on Create, hover over surface, and choose Revolved. Select Partial as your chaining method and select this line and this line here. Choose the OK button. Mastercam will prompt you to select the axis of rotation. Choose this line here. Change the starting angle to 247.5 and the ending angle to 292.5. Press the Enter key. Select the OK button to exit the command. Change the view to top. Change your construction mode to 2D with a Z depth of 0. Choose the command Create Line Endpoint. Select the origin here and choose a point somewhere over here. Unshade the part if you need to. Change the line length to 1.8 at an angle of 270 minus 11.25. Select the OK button to exit the command. Click on Isometric View and you should have the same geometry. Return back to top. Choose the command Create Point Position and select the fast point icon. Enter in the coordinates 0, minus 1.25 and press Enter. Choose the OK button to exit this command. Choose the command Create Line Endpoint. Select this point here and a point over here. Change the length to 0.35 at an angle of 180 plus 25. Select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Fillet Entities. Specify a fillet radius of 0.15. Choose this line and this line here. Select the OK button to exit the command. Click on Quick Mask on Points and press Delete on your keyboard to delete the point. Now we will mirror this geometry. Choose X-Form and select Mirror. Holding the Shift key, select this contour and press Enter. Choose to copy this about the Y-axis. Select the OK button and click on Clear Colors. Choose the command Create Arc Endpoints. Enter in a radius of 1.8. Then select this endpoint here and this endpoint here. Choose to keep the bottom arc. Then select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Fillet Chains. Chain this contour here and choose the OK button. Mastercam will warn you to refillet at existing fillets. Say no. Change the fillet radius to 0.15. Select the OK button to exit the command. Then move to the isometric view. Choose the command Xform Project. Holding the Shift key, select these entities and press the Enter key. Choose to move these entities and enable Surface. Choose this surface here and press the Enter key. Select the OK button to project these entities. Then choose the command Xform Translate. Holding the Shift key, select this profile and press Enter. Choose to copy this with an instance of 1 in a Z direction of -0.25. Select the OK button to exit this command and choose Clear Colors. Select Surface Color here and change it to color green number 2 and choose the OK button. Click on Create. Hover over Surface and choose Ruled Lofted. Select this entity and this entity here. Choose the OK button. Then select the OK button to confirm this surface. Now we will trim this surface to this spline. Choose the command Create Surface Trim to Curves. MasterCam will prompt you to select the surfaces. Choose this surface and press the Enter key. Chain this spline here and select OK. MasterCam will prompt you to indicate the area to keep. Choose this surface and select a point over here. Enable this with a distance of 0.1. Also enable Split Model so we can retain the old surface. Select the OK button to exit the command. Then choose the command Xform Translate. Select this surface and press the Enter key. Choose to move this in the Z direction of -0.2 and choose the OK button. Then select Clear Colors. In the surface color area, left-click in this area and change the number to 138. Choose the OK button. Then select Create Surface Fillet to Surfaces. Select this floor surface and press Enter. Then select this wall surface and press Enter. Change the fillet radius to 0.0625. Then enable Trim and Automatic Preview. Select the OK button to exit this dialog box.